Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we shall write a Python program to calculate the simple interest when principal, time and rate of interest are given. So firstly let us see how to calculate the simple interest. The formula for calculating the simple interest is P into T into R by 100, where P is the principal amount, that is the original amount which was given, and the T is the time for which the simple interest is calculated, and R is the rate of interest. So without any delay, let us go into our PyCharm and read the program. It's really a very simple program. Firstly, we want to have principal, time and rate of interest, and then we'll get the formula, and finally we'll print the interest. Okay. Now, firstly, I'll have a variable P for principal. I want to have it to be given by the user, so I'll use my input function. As it is integer, I'll have int also, int input, enter the principal amount. Now time, as time is also, we want time in years, so I'll give it as int, enter the time in years. Now finally we want the rate of interest here. Enter the percentage of the rate. Now I want my simple interest is equals to P into T into R by 100, right? So just print it. Yeah. Now let us run the program. Run simple interest. Yeah, it is asking to enter the principal amount. Let the principal amount be $3,000 and the time in years, let it be 2, and the percentage of the rate be 3. Yeah, we have got our simple interest, right? In the same way you can play with it. So if you don't want your time to be in years, you can change it. You can give it as float, and if you want to have months there, and also you can convert your months to years by just multiplying it with 1 by 12. Okay, so that's all. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you have any doubts, please reach me out in the comment section, and for more Python exciting videos, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you. Bye bye.